one of the most important concepts regarding function is finding domain of a function. Let's take a look at how to get this one solved. There's a long and a boring definition for a function. It's a mapping or correspondence between two sets of numbers. One set is called a domain, the other set is called a range, and this mapping has a specific requirement. So graphically, really, what's saying is we have a set 1 numbers, we'll call this domain, and we have some sort of correspondence, we call it mapping. So this is what a function is. This is really the rule. How do we map from one to second one? Second set is called a range. Now, specifically for this particular problem, since they're only asking for domain, a funny way to think about domain is this: if you have a whole bunch of friends, let's say you want to invite to a party, and let me see if I can draw a better one. Not a very graphic. Good at drawing people. Let's say you have a whole bunch of them. Okay, you can only invite a certain. Maybe this one has long hair, this one has really long hair, this one has no hair, and this one has more hair than you care to see. Okay, so the domain is basically say what friends can you invite without getting in trouble with you, say your parents. Okay, so for this one particular one, we can't invite x has to be bigger or equal to 0 because the radical sign. I don't want anything that's negative in there. And the second requirement is since 2x minus 1 with the absolute value is on the bottom, I cannot have this one equal to 0 by the location since it's in the denominator. So this whole fancy term of domain is really thinking, who can I invite to my party without getting myself in trouble? Well, the first requirement is x has to be bigger or equal to 0. Second requirement is whatever x I invite, I cannot have the denominator equal to 0. Now, given this analysis, let's actually solve this one. Alright, so here's our solution. For the given function, there are two requirements for our x who we can invite. The first one is radical x, so x has to be bigger than 0. Second one says this denominator cannot equal to 0. Now, solving this one, you can see, well, then the absolute value of 2x can't be 1, which means x cannot be plus minus half. So in here, in the real line, in the number line here, we carved out minus half and positive half. But since x has to be bigger or equal to 0, this dot filled in dot says 0 is okay, so it has to be everything on this side. We just need to carve one x equal to half hour. So here's the domain for our function given here. Well, I hope this helps. Hi, this is Dr. Pan recording from Tucson, Arizona. Please comment or share this video. Together we can make math easy again. Have a confident day.